Want a responsible child? You got this. Raising a responsible child might seem like a daunting task, but trust me, it's absolutely achievable. Hey everybody, it's Your Name, and today we're going to talk about something super important: raising responsible kids. This is a journey that every parent embarks on, and while it can be challenging, it's also incredibly rewarding. I know, sometimes it feels like a superpower we all wish we had. There are days when it seems like no matter what you do, the messes just keep piling up and the responsibilities are never ending. But guess what? We can totally learn how to do it. With a little patience, consistency, and the right strategies, you can guide your child towards becoming a responsible individual. We all want our kids to grow up to be awesome adults, right? Adults who are not only capable, but also considerate and dependable. Like people who clean up after themselves, take initiative, and understand the importance of maintaining a tidy environment. Remember to do their homework, manage their time effectively, and take their responsibilities seriously. And maybe even help out with the dishes once in a while. It's these small acts of responsibility that build the foundation for a well-rounded adult. That's what being responsible is all about. It's about taking ownership of one's actions and understanding the impact they have on others. So get ready, because I'm going to share 6 super easy steps that you can start using today to help your little ones learn responsibility. These steps are practical, easy to implement, and can make a huge difference in your child's development. Are you ready? Let's do it! Together, we'll explore these steps and see how they can transform your parenting journey. So grab a notebook, get comfortable, and let's dive into the world of raising responsible kids. It's going to be an exciting ride, and I promise the results will be worth it. One of the first things to remember is that responsibility starts with small tasks. Encouraging your child to set the table or clean up their toys can be the first step towards bigger responsibilities. Another great way to instill responsibility is through activities like gardening. It teaches them to care for living things and understand the importance of nurturing. Reading together can also be a wonderful opportunity to discuss themes of responsibility and the consequences of actions. Choose books that highlight these values and discuss them with your child. Cooking together is another fantastic way to teach responsibility. It involves planning, following instructions, and understanding the importance of each step in the process. If you have pets, involving your child in their care can be a great lesson in responsibility. Feeding, grooming, and playing with pets teaches them to be considerate and dependable. Even playing board games can be educational. It teaches kids to follow rules, take turns, and handle winning or losing gracefully. Creating a chore chart together can also be very effective. It gives children a visual representation of their responsibilities and a sense of accomplishment when they complete their tasks. Remember to celebrate their successes, no matter how small. Positive reinforcement goes a long way in encouraging responsible behavior. Finally, take time to reflect with your child. Discuss what they did well and what they can improve on. This helps them understand their progress and areas where they can grow. Raising a responsible child is a journey filled with ups and downs, but with love, patience, and the right strategies, you can guide them towards becoming amazing adults. Let's embark on this journey together. Okay, first things first, we gotta set some clear expectations. This is crucial for creating a harmonious and understanding environment at home. It's like when we play a game, we need to know all the rules, right? Without knowing the rules, the game can become confusing and frustrating. Imagine playing hide and seek and nobody tells you where you're allowed to hide. You'd be lost, unsure of where to go, and it would take the fun out of the game. That wouldn't be any fun. The same principle applies to everyday tasks and responsibilities. It's the same for kids. They need to know exactly what we expect from them. Clear expectations help them understand their roles and responsibilities. So, instead of just saying, "clean your room," we can say, "let's put all your toys back in the toy bin." This gives them a specific task to focus on. Let's put all your toys back in the toy bin. This way, they know exactly what to do and where everything goes. And then put your clothes in the hamper. Breaking down tasks into smaller, clear steps makes it easier for them to follow through. See the difference? Clear instructions make all the difference. When children know exactly what is expected of them, they feel more confident and capable. Setting clear expectations also opens up a channel for communication. It allows children to ask questions if they are unsure about something. When children feel comfortable asking questions, it fosters a sense of trust and understanding within the family. And when they meet those expectations, it's important to acknowledge their efforts. positive reinforcement goes a long way in encouraging good behavior. Remember, setting clear expectations isn't just about rules and chores. It's also about creating a positive and supportive environment where everyone knows their role. Whether it's working together on a project or simply spending quality time together, clear expectations help everyone feel more connected and involved. So, take the time to set those expectations. Be clear, be specific, and watch how it transforms your family dynamics for the better. In the end, it's all about creating a loving and understanding home where everyone feels valued and respected. Clear expectations are the foundation of that. So let's make it a priority to set super clear expectations and build a happier, more harmonious home together. Next up, accountability. This one's all about helping our kids understand that their actions have consequences. It's like, if we forget to water a plant, it wilts, right? Well, if we don't finish our homework, we might not get a good grade. It's important to explain these connections to our kids. And remember, consequences aren't always punishments. They can be positive too. Like if we finish all our chores, we get to have extra playtime. It's all about learning and growing. Let's talk about routines. Routines are like our daily superheroes. They help us stay organized and get things done. When kids have routines like brushing their teeth before bed or packing their backpacks in the morning, it becomes a habit. And habits make being responsible a whole lot easier. Plus, when we stick to a routine, it helps kids feel safe and secure because they know what to expect. It's like having a superpower schedule. Chapter 4, Independence Time. Woohoo! Now this one's super important, encouraging independence. We want our kids to be able to do things on their own, right? Like tying their shoes or making their beds. It might take a little longer at first, but trust me, it's worth it. When kids feel like they can do things by themselves, it gives them a big boost of confidence. And confident kids are more likely to take on new challenges and responsibilities. Chapter 5, Positive Reinforcement to the Rescue. Okay, this next tip is one of my favorites, positive reinforcement. You know how much I love getting a thumbs up from you guys? It makes me feel awesome. Well, kids are the same way. When they do something good, let's tell them. We can say things like, wow, you cleaned up your toys all by yourself. That's amazing. Or, thank you for being so responsible and putting your dishes in the sink. Positive words and encouragement go a long way. Chapter 6, Be a Role Model. Last but not least, we gotta be role models for our kids. Remember, kids are like little sponges. They soak up everything they see us do. So if we want them to be responsible, we gotta show them how it's done. Let them see us cleaning up, keeping our promises, and being respectful of others. We are their biggest heroes, and they're always watching and learning from us. You've got this, parents. Parenting is a journey filled with ups and downs, but remember, you are doing an amazing job. Every step you take is a step towards raising a responsible and happy child. So there you have it, our 6 easy steps to raising a responsible child. These steps are designed to help you navigate the complexities of parenting with confidence and ease. Whether you're a new parent or have been on this journey for a while, these tips can make a significant difference in your child's development. We talked about setting clear expectations, teaching accountability, sticking to routines, encouraging independence, using positive reinforcement, and most importantly, being amazing role models. Each of these steps plays a crucial role in shaping your child's behavior and character. Setting clear expectations helps children understand what is expected of them, while teaching accountability ensures they take responsibility for their actions. Encouraging independence allows children to develop confidence and problem-solving skills. Using positive reinforcement helps to motivate and reward good behavior, making it more likely to be repeated. And being a role model means demonstrating the values and behaviors you want to see in your child. Remember, children learn a lot by observing their parents. Remember, every child is different, and what works for one might not work for another. It's important to be flexible and adapt your approach based on your child's unique needs and personality. Some children may respond well to certain strategies, while others may require a different approach. The key is to be patient and keep trying different methods until you find what works best for your family. Parenting is not a one-size-fits-all journey, and it's okay to make adjustments along the way. The important thing is to stay committed and keep the lines of communication open with your child. The important thing is to be patient, keep trying, And most importantly, have fun along the way. Enjoy the little moments and celebrate the small victories. Parenting can be challenging, but it can also be incredibly rewarding. Take time to bond with your child and create lasting memories together. And most importantly, have fun along the way. Parenting is a journey, not a destination. Embrace the chaos, laugh at the mishaps, and cherish the moments of joy. Your child will remember the love and laughter more than anything else. Thank you so much for watching. Your support means the world to us. We hope these tips have been helpful and that you feel more confident in your parenting journey. Remember, you are not alone, and there is a whole community of parents out there who are going through the same experiences. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and share it with other parents who might find it useful. Your feedback helps us create more content that meets your needs and interests. Leave a comment down below telling me which tip was your favorite, and if you have any additional tips or experiences to share, we'd love to hear them. Your insights can help other parents who are looking for advice and support. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. We have a lot of exciting content planned, from parenting tips and tricks to fun family activities and more. Stay tuned and join our community of amazing parents. Bye.